Do you have a child struggling in math? You're not alone. Over 65% of our kids are not proficient in math right now. Whether you're a parent working with your child at home or a teacher working with your students at school trying to get them proficient, the Teacher's Dungeon is the perfect solution. Enhance your child's learning with formative assessment and feedback as an intervention tool. First, let your child play the Teacher's Dungeon. Next, do a weekly check-in. Review your child's progress with their stats page and their Teacher's Dungeon notebook. The white colored boxes represent standards your child hasn't yet started. The yellow colored boxes represent standards your child has started, but they need a little more time before they're proficient. And the green colored boxes represent standards where your child is proficient in math, and that's what we're looking for, my friends. Celebrate their improvements. Give immediate rewards each time a child gets another green colored box. Here are a few ideas. Compliment chain, cell zone, extra recess time, fun stickers, treasure box, a positive note home, classroom supplies, or choose one of the brain break sticks. The combination of Common Core questions, immediate video tutorials that teach time-proven strategies, and ongoing feedback keeps children motivated and on task, helping them master math concepts effectively. Experience the power of formative assessment with the Teacher's Dungeon. Whether you're a parent helping your child at home or a teacher teaching an intervention class, you can try the Teacher's Dungeon for free at www.teachersdungeon.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.